A for apple. B for baby. C for candy. D for diamond. E for elephant. F for fairy. G for glasses. H for hand. I for igloo. J for jelly. K for keyboard. L for ladybug. M for monkey. N